Is MNDR a dead ticker, or is this a stock which can recover all the way upwards of the $4 to $5 range once again? What's up, friends? Today, we're seeing MNDR under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a cast breakdown. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis to work. I'm going to tell you guys where to get in and where to get out. So without further ado, hit the thumbs up button and now let's get to work. So when it comes to MNDR, guys, this is a ticker which today did have some news, some terrible news regarding them coming out and selling a whole lot of shares. And the company came out and it said, hey everyone, we already sold $1.2 million worth of shares, so those shares are going to be added to our Class A shares. But guess what? We're actually planning on selling more. We're planning on selling up to another $1 million worth of shares. Now, why does this matter? Because this is a company which has a free float of 1.2 million shares, okay? Putting its float market cap at only 3.5 million. So a $3.5 million company coming out and saying, hey everyone, we're pretty much doubling our float. What happens? The stock gets cut pretty much in half, pretty much. Okay, so listen, let me show you guys something, right? If only there was someone here who warned you guys about this, right? November 20th, MNDR stock, watch ASAP if you bought today. Listen to what I said. Now, I will tell you this. Was my prediction wrong regarding it not being able to break above the $4 levels? Correct. It broke above $4. Congratulations. But at what cost? Listen to what I said. $1 million in the bank. They're burning $1 million every quarter. They got 0.4 months of cash. They are broke. They have no money. Okay, they have no money. The cash we're going to put is terrible. Let's see. Historically, they have another one, but right now their overhead supply is also massive. This stock fucking stinks. Okay, it sucks. Odds of dilution high. Let's see what. Bam, right? So, you can't say, oh, I didn't see it coming. So how come I saw that the odds of dilution was high? How did I know so? I took a look at their balance sheet. I said, okay, well, you know what, man? The company has no money. They're burning this much money. They have two options: bankruptcy or raising funds. They're going to raise funds, right? No company's just going to go bankrupt when they can just go ahead and press the add shares button and raise money. All right. Now the question becomes, can this ticker recover or not? That's going to be the main question, right? Well, what does recovery mean, right? From recovery, do you mean $5.60? Because that's probably a little bit more unlikely. Because take a look at this chart, right? There's a great quote. It goes, when in doubt, zoom out, right? All we've been getting has been lower lows. When we zoom in, lower lows and lower lows and lower lows and lower lows, spike, 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 lower lows, spike. I wonder what's gonna happen here now. Spike, 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 or lower, 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 spike, lower, 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 spike. Probably the latter, right? So for me, we're gonna follow the trend that we've been following, right? Massive downtrend followed by sporadic uptick of a gain, followed by dilution and killing of the stock. That's it. I mean, listen, there's a reason why, and some of you guys may say, but look, you said don't buy it at 4 and it broke 4. Trading for me, right, it's about consistency, right? And there are certain parameters that I've put in place for my trading so I don't end up being in a stock that is down 40% out of nowhere randomly. This has never happened to me. Do you understand? Last time this happened to me was probably, honestly, probably 3-4 years ago. Probably 3-4 years ago, maybe something like this happened to me, where I'm holding a stock and they come out with dilution like this. This is not normal, my friends. This is not normal, okay? This only happens when the company is broke as a joke. They have no money. They need to raise funds. All right? Now, listen. Where can it recover to? It can probably spike to the $4 levels again, okay? Which is a 30% move to the upside from where it's sitting on right now, okay? I could see it testing this 370 to 380 range. I could see that happening in the future, okay? But above that, I'm not too sure, okay? Again, listen. If we go back down to, follow the trend, right? Lower, low, low, pump, lower, low, pump, lower, low, pump, pump down, pump down, pump down. Oh, just painful, man, painful. Each one of these wicks that you see, this is a 4-hour candle, okay? This is horrible. So the way wick works is that that's its highest point. This is where it closed. This is where it opened. So on this day, in this 4-hour chart, it opened at 5, went to 750, and it closed at 6. On this one, for red candles is flipped. So it opened at 4, went to 6, up 50%. Then it closed the day back at 420. On this day, open at 4, went to 6, closed at 380. I mean, this is what you guys are trading. This is what, and you know what's funny, man? When I write some shit, when I made that video originally about the stock, people are like, well, this guy doesn't know anything about Mndr. This guy doesn't know anything about Mndr. I hope you were fucking holding, okay? I hope you took out a mortgage and bought this piece of shit stock, right? Because put your money where your mouth is, right? Come on, what are you doing? Say it with your chest. Insanity, man, insanity. Anyways, listen. Overall point is, okay, that's the highest I see it going, $4, right, from here on out. And if you're tired of losing, okay, if you want to trade alongside me every single day and be consistently profitable, check out our profitable community, okay? Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount. We are also the only community that offers a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. You heard that right, 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Nobody else is doing this. You know why nobody else is doing this? Because they want, this is their trick, right? They want you to put in your card info, then forget, and then you get charged, and there you go. They made money from you forgetting. That's not how we operate. We want you to join, be there, conscious, awake, partake, make money, and then come back willingly, right? That's why we have over 400 members coming back month after month. When we go over here, Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for our work on the community. My 7 days trial finish was great. I think you can remember this week. $7,000 in 7 days. We've been crushing it. We've been absolutely crushing it, man. We've been absolutely. Let's jump to present day. Literally today, 6 p.m. Okay, again, I'm in London right now, so the hours are a little bit messed up. $186. W Sam, I appreciate you, brother. Brando Man says, excellent return on this. Shout out to our options chat for excellent. So we give you day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. Okay. PA46, Top Trade Academy, best trading community, $20,000 on a day. Jamie X to Jamie says, I joined after getting burned in Moon Market Discord after pumping them 5 months ago. Easily best decision I've ever made. Look, I'm not going to go and freaking read every single one of these to you guys, but you guys can pause it. This community has changed my life. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Again, right, I'm not going to go through every single one, but maybe pause it and read some of these. This is literally last week, okay? Friday, when was this one? This was literally last week, Thursday. And this is what our alerts look like, okay? We give it a ticker, we give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give it a stop loss. We also tell you how many shares to go on and to buy in your portfolio. This is what we do. So we tell you the share size in a 10K account. We use a $10,000 account as a benchmark. So we say 10 shares in a 10K account. That means if you have a 50K account, you buy 5 times this amount. Let's say you have a 100K account, you buy 10 times this amount. Simple and easy, okay? That's it. Anyways, 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. Next 10 members, 50% discount. Why next 10 members, 50% discount? Because we want to reward the action takers and the procrastinators. And the guy that says, Sam, I want to join your free trial, but I first need to talk to my wife so my wife can ask her boyfriend if I'm allowed to join your free trial. That's it. You ready to go? Let's get you in. Thank you. I appreciate you. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.